Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I Subhkar Gupta. Today we will see a tutorial on topic sieve of Eratosthenes in Python programming. Let's start our topic. Sieve of Eratosthenes. He was a Greek mathematician. He developed an algo for finding the prime number from a list of given number. Means if we say n is equal to 15, then we have to make a list of numbers up to 15 like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This is our list. Now in this list we have to find out the prime numbers. Before starting the algorithm, first we have to see what is prime number. Prime number is which is divisible by 1 or 1 and itself. Means if we say 2, so 2 is divisible by 1 and itself 2. If we say 4, then 4 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 2, 4 is divisible by 4 itself. So 4 is not a prime number because it is divisible by more than 2 numbers, which is 1 and itself. It is also divisible by 2. So 4 is not a prime numbers, right? Let's see the method. What is the method to find out this algorithm, to find out the prime number in this algorithm? The first point is, first we have to make a list of number up to given number. जहाँ तक हमें बनानी है, फाइंड आउट करना है लिस्ट, उस नंबर तक हमको सबसे पहले एक लिस्ट तैयार करनी पड़ेगी, राइट? द second is rule out those numbers which are divisible by number from starting in the list. Suppose our list is start with the 2 and up to 15, like in this list. So we have to check the first number 2. This number can divide which numbers in this list. Just for example, if we are taking the first number 2, then this 2 can divide this 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, only these numbers. We can divide also 16, we can also divide 18, but we are not considering those numbers. We are considering only those number which is in this given list, right? Then the third step, prepare a list of remaining numbers which are not divisible by any number in this list. Now this is your prime number list. This is our method. Now check how we will do this. First, we will take a number 2 in this list, 2 to 15. In this list, we will take first number 2. Then check with this 2 which numbers can divide. 2 can divide 4, 2 can divide 6, 2 can divide 8, 2 can divide 10, 2 can divide 12. That's it. Now all these number 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, these number are ruled out from this list. Now next number is 3. Now check this 3 can which numbers can divide. 5 cannot divide because 4 is already ruled out, 6 is ruled out, 7 cannot divide, 9 we can divide, 11 we cannot divide, 13 we cannot divide, 15 we can divide, right? Now the next number is 5. Check with this 5 how many remaining numbers can divide with this number. So we cannot divide 7, we cannot divide 11, we cannot divide 13. The next number is 7. The 7 can divide cannot divide in this list because no number is available which is divisible by 7. The next number is 11. 11 cannot divide 13, and the last number is 13. 13 cannot divide any number because no number is available in this list. So finally we got a list. Our remaining list is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. This is our list which all are prime numbers in the given list up to 15. In this way we can find out the prime numbers in a given list. So this is the method by which we can find the prime numbers from a given list. So in the next tutorial we will see this method, sieve of Erasmus theme, can be implemented using the Python. Thank you.